Hi guys, in this video we talk about all passable vibration and all passable beats on a car. So, when the beats are sent to the driver's steering wheel, this is due to the fact that the discs are bent. Over time, when driving, the wheel hits the pits, then it bends, as a result of which beats are obtained, and even when the tire itself is deformed. Then, when braking, when the braking pedal is pressed, the pedal vibrates. As it were, they indicate the deformity of the brake discs. When braking, the brake discs heat up, and when they enter the water, they are deformed while cooling. And over time, another wear in the brake discs occur when the brake pedal is pressed. Is also the cause of the pedal beating. For the vibration of the car body, this is due to the fact that you need to replace the engine mount time. All engine vibration is not dampened by the padding and it transmitted to the car body. Vibration will be eliminated by replacing the engine mount time. There are only two of them, one of the right side and the other on the left. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like.